speeches. Cats that speak this, Willie shit, flooded pieces. My hand releases, snatches, smack your cabbage. Half-ass rappers shouldn't have it, so I grab it, never run. The outcome is usually a beat down brutally. Fuck who you be or where you're from, west or east coast. Squeeze toast, leave most in the blood they laying in. What? The rings and things you sing about, bring them out. It's hard to yell when the barrel's in your mouth. It's more than I expected. I thought your jewels were rented, but they wasn't. So run it, cousin. I could chill, the heat doesn't. Ran up in your shell about a dozen. You never see bank like Frank White. Your hand clutching, your chest plate. Contemplate, you about to die, nigga. Wait, keep your hands high.
I don't brown nose out of town hoes. I'm up around 4 with the crowbar to the 5.0. I get bagged, I'm John Doe. Suspect, you ass like prime roasting. Calvin Klein clothes. Explode the pyros when Doc gets the pier. I'm out there, I'm boarded with George Jetson here. Your time is near, so get your body dropped off. I stopped trusting niggas since Gotti got caught. It's bricks, keep your wrist covered. I'm piss colored by the waist, got a gun as dark as Chris, brother. I see you, my shiesty crew, like ice me too. I break your legs, leave your eyes slightly blue. The Doc is born with a grenade palm. I'm concurrent in your hood like a teenage mom. Yo, Biggie,
what?
She having my baby. If I pull out the AK, keep your hands high.
This rule is so underrated.
Acting as if it can't happen. You're fronting.
Ain't no other